Don't be scared when you get started. Most people freak out when they run their first ad and it fails miserably. The thing about Facebook ads is that most people get scared immediately upon running their first set of ads. And I know this may be very basic for a lot of people, but running ads are it's scary because you're spending your own money. And you might spend $1,000 and never get it back. And you might spend 10,000 and never get it back. But you have to be strategic. You got to be smart. Start small, but start. The point is you run $5 to $10 a day, maybe 20, and you learn from everything that you've gathered running that campaign to become a better advertiser. Because at the end of the day, the one thing that's not going to disappear are ad platforms. So learn to analyze the data you're gathering for yourself, and you become a better marketer and advertiser for your own stuff down the road versus just everyone else's product. So when I promote your products, Walter, it's going to be a lot easier for me to promote my own because I know from my own experience what I've done for you that could better my product down the road as well.